Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Here is a scenario of a Python program which I have to solve, and this scenario is develop a standalone Python programming program using variable loops, conditional statements, and arithmetic operations. Each project must involve distinct logical flow, user interaction, state tracking, and validation without using lists, dictionaries, files, or OOP. Now we have to solve this program on Python. And here we write program which have first line, there is a mu editor screen, and we write import time, which is reserved alphabet of the Python. And then on the second line, we have to write score equals 0 on the second line, and on the third line we write print timed quiz 5 seconds each, because we are giving the situation that timed quiz 5 seconds each. Now we write it, and then on fourth line we write s is equal to time dot time braces. Time dot time means we are multiplying time dot time. Both times we are multiplying to perform this scenario. And after at fifth line we write a is equal to input capital of Pakistan. Means what is capital of Pakistan? We have to write it after running the program, that which is the capital of Pakistan. After writing this, we move on sixth line, which is e is equal to time dot time. We are using again this same basic step. We write it time dot time and braces. Then we move forward, and then we write if e minus s less than equal 5. This is a condition that if it is true, otherwise we write in else that was true. Therefore we write it colon, and then move next. If a dot lower braces equal Islamabad, we have to write it as if a dot lower braces equal Islamabad. We write Islamabad in commas, inverted commas, because it is a character, and character is always written in single commas, triple commas, and double commas, double inverted commas. Now we are give the answer of capital of Pakistan. Sorry, we have to write score is equal to score plus 1 at another line. Yeah. Now we move to, and we have to remove equal sign, because we have to put it here positive sign. Then we write else. In else we write print time up. Print time up. Then we move to 12th line, and we again write s is equal to time dot time braces. which is used repeatedly because it is the basic concept of this Python program, time braces. With this formula we can solve whole program. Then we move at 13th line, that is a is equal to input into 5 plus 7 equal 5 plus 7. We also, after running, we also have to write its answer, and then we move at 14th line. Then we again use this basic formula, e is equal to time braces. Time braces. Then at 15th line we again write the condition which is repeatedly used if e minus s less than equal 5. If e minus s less than equal 5 colon. Then at 16th line we write if a equal 12. 12 is character, so we write it in inverted commas and also colon. Then at 17th line we again write score is equal to score plus 1. It is an increment of 1. It is an increment of 1, and then we write else. After if we have to write else, and in else we write print time up. Again time up. Then at 20th line we again write basic formula, s is equal to time to solve the whole program. S is equal to time braces. Then at 21 line we write a is equal to input, and we write Python is a language, yes or no. We have to also answer it after running the program. Python is a language, question mark, yes or no, question mark, yes or no. We have to put inverted commas and braces to complete this line. Inverted commas and braces. Then we move at 22nd line. E is equal to time braces. Again basic formula we have to write on 22nd line. E is equal to time braces. Then at 23rd line we write if e minus s less than equal 5 colon. It is a condition that we have to write if e minus s less than equal 5 colon. Then we move at 24th line. If a dot lower braces equal inverted commas में हम लिखेंगे yes. Braces equal yes. It is the answer of the input that we have to write after running. Yes. Then at 25th line we write increment in the variable score is equal to score plus 1. We have to write it also write it score is equal to score plus 1. Then after if statement we have to also write else, and in else statement we have to write print time up. time up. Up. And then we move last line, ending line of the program, and result you can say of the program, print into inverted commas score colon, and we have to write there comma and write score, and which value, that value which is stored on score was written as it in the after running the program. We also write it /3. Now we have to check it if there is any mistake. Now we click on run, and there is an output timed quiz 5 seconds each, capital of Pakistan. Now we have to enter their value, whether we write it Islamabad, we write it Lahore, we write it anything, but we have to collect a right answer. Therefore we have to write Islamabad here. We write Islamabad and then press enter. After pressing enter, there is 5 plus 1 equal, we know 12, and then we again press enter, and Python is a language, yes or no. We have to answer it, and we write yes, and then there is a score 1 divided by 3, that is the answer. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.